Tips on replacing the sway bar bushing of a 2007 Mazda 5. As always, safety first. Use jackstands. The bushing is located above this, so you will need to work blind, meaning use feel or sense of touch. Use a 14mm socket bit. A swivel adapter is better, but not needed if your fingers are strong enough. You can disconnect the bottom sway bar link to make it easier to remove and install the bushing, but it's not needed. However, disconnecting the bottom sway bar link is needed for the passenger side. For the driver side bushing, insert your right arm here and use feel to locate the bushing and bolts. After you remove the two bolts, you might need to use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out the metal bracket if it's stuck. The rubber bushing has a slit. Sway the sway bar forward about 1 inch towards the front of the car, then slide the bushing outward to the left, then pull it out. The one I'm holding is the new one. Notice the old one has a bigger hole, which I think is causing the rattling sound. To install, make sure the flat side of the bushing is at the bottom, then sway the sway bar about 1 inch towards the front of the car. Slide in the rubber bushing from left to right until it hits a notch on the bar. Then install the metal bracket and tighten the bolts. For the passenger side bushing, this is where you insert your hand. You will need to disconnect the bottom sway bar link. For the passenger side bushing, you will need to use a short extender. Installing is similar to the driver's side.